So I didn't show you guys what I was cooking, but I'm going to show you a little bit right now. If I can, I'm going to have to turn it around, so give me a second, bear with me. This is what I'll be making tonight for dinner, and which is going to be chicken with chicken gravy, and also I'm going to do rice with vegetables. And I season my chicken and everything. I don't know if you can see it or not. And then I'm kind of frying it a little. And then cutting it up as I fry it, so that it can cook fully through. I think I should put my rice on there while that's cooking a little bit. And this is my side that I'm going to be having, which is by Clover Valley, vegetables with rice. And I just picked something quick up tonight. I'm not trying to do a whole bunch of big cooking. And this is microwave steams and bag. This is my first time trying this, so give me a second. Which is going to be a quick, easy start. Just going to throw that in there and give it a second. What are you doing, honey?
I'm putting this in.
No, get that stuff out of there. That's for food only. Get that out. Not for balls and clothes.
It's only for me.
Okay, but not today. It's not.
I want to get in there.
No, not right now. Put that stuff up, please.
I'm good. And I think it's hot. I never let the
So today has kind of been a long day for me today. I got up early, walked Armani to school. From there actually before then, we walked to CVS this morning. And then I walked Armani to school. Then I came home, cooked breakfast, watched a little TV, and then did hair. Then from there, I got finished, wasn't even finished yet. At 1:30, I had to take Kevin, I had to take Kevin to school. And came home, finished hair. And then I had to go to the parents' meeting at Georgetown East for Armani to get a little bit of information on what's going on with the school as far as this year. And I learned some things while I was there. Yeah. And then once I left there, I had to go pick up Heaven. And then we came home. We did our sour challenge. And from there, now I'm cooking dinner and bringing you guys along with me. Give me a second.
And guys, you know where the toy puppy corn over here?
It's a little dark. Kevin wants to watch TV now. So let me try to put something on for her. Let's see.
Once my foot in this bowl. Once my foot someone in this bowl.
Hold on.
Thank you, big
I'm
brother
just telling
Elmer.
you, I'm glad I didn't miss it.
I know, I'm glad you didn't either.
Excellent.
That's it.
Is the baby happy now?
Yep. One fresh diaper did the trick.
Bye, baby.
I'm doing here.
Alright.
Bye-bye.
That's Armani, if you can see her back there. She says she's doing hair.
I'm doing my dog hair, and I'm doing the baby jacket. And I'm always doing this.
Let me finish this up. Put you guys there for a second. Chop a little more. Just gonna mix all this up. Hopefully let all of this cook a little more. And then we're gonna go from there. And we'll be back with you in a little bit. So I had to go get the charger because the tablet was about to die that I'm charging with right now. Just having a rough time right now while I'm trying to cook. But we're gonna make it. The cord is in the way. Not anymore. So next I'm going to take the chicken and put it in a bowl. Because I don't want to overcook it. Because I still got to heat it. So I'm not like gravy. So. Technical difficulties, but we're gonna make it. So I'm using this vegetable oil to make my chicken. I don't know if you can see it or not. There you go, you should be able to. Vegetable oil, and I just put like a little couple drops. Coat my pan a little bit. So now I'll just throw this in the skillet and let it fry. Rinse my tips off. Fingertips. Some people might not know what that means. Just saying, just saying. Cover my chicken up. Guess I didn't put my vegetables on now. And it says to put my vegetables on 4.5 to 5.5 minutes, but I'm going to do 6 just to be safe. Now I'm looking for a pan to make my gravy in. Someone likes to be in the camera. Or stop having so I can make my gravy. Well, I'll do it in the pan that I made my chicken in. Less dishes. And I'll show you what my chicken looks like again once it's cooked. But I'm going to have gravy with it.
What is that?
And my rice and vegetables on the side.
Does have some that's vegetables?
No, that's chicken, baby.
I'm gonna have the chicken.
Not right now. And I'll be back to show you our presentation.
Bye. Bye.
So we'll be back.
Baby back. Back.
So I forgot to show you guys. I was making gravy for on the side, and this is what it's looking like so far. I'm just mixing it, and no, it's not homemade gravy, but I did have a little chicken pack because I'm just doing a quick dinner tonight. Nothing fancy or homemade tonight. I'm just gonna have some chicken, gravy, rice, and vegetables.
The baby's gonna be on the side.
And we're gonna have the gravy on the side because Armani does not like gravy. And we'll be back and I'll show you the presentation of our meal and our dinner for tonight in a minute.
We're gonna show you how.
Okay, you guys, so here's my final touch. I'm ready to show you.
Today, look at mine.
I don't know if I'm getting it all the way or not, but there it is.
Hi. Let me show you my
Let
food.
me show you from this angle.
Mommy really want to eat that.
All right, and I'll talk to you guys later.
Bye.